I know I've been doing like only recipes these days, but yeah, I'm going to go over to hair stuff this time around. So hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I really do. Like, I want to appreciate you, especially my new subscribers. Like, it's crazy, like the amount of subscribers I got recently. I see you, like I see you all. Thank you. Like, I can't thank you guys enough. You all are amazing. Thank you all. I really appreciate you all. And at the same time, I want to appreciate my old subscribers as well for always coming back. Thank you guys so much. Like, you guys are amazing. Honestly, you are really amazing. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you all. Thank you all. It's been a while I've done hair videos, so this channel is all about hair, beauty, reviews, cooking, makeup, and lifestyles. So yeah, if it's what you want, please go ahead and smash the like button, tap on the notification bell as well, so in that way you get instant notification whenever I upload any video. If there is anything again that you guys want me to do, especially my new subscribers, if there is anything you have in mind, like you want me to make a video about, let me know in the comment section. I really, like, I genuinely appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I bought, mostly from AliExpress, and this is what I got like last year, 11/11. So if you are familiar with AliExpress, like every year they do 11/11, like 11th day of November 2000, and like every year, so 11/11 on every year. So they do like these special sales, and like, it's crazy guys, but some say it's just a way for them to like get so many people and all that, but at the end of the day, I know it's a little bit cheaper than what they normally sell. So, and I got a lot of things, like a lot of things, lots of things. Like, I got stuff like more than 500 pounds, yeah. And I haven't had any time to unbox it, or even all the things I bought. Like, you can imagine that even the very nice things that I am supposed to be using, like for myself, I didn't. Yeah, that's how bad it is. I left them, and because I wanted to show you guys first, I wanted to unbox it first before I can start using it. Like, some of the hair, you're just going to see it. So without wasting much of your time, I am going to jump right in. They are still in the bag. So the first thing I got is so this is what I got in this bag. I'm sure they gave me this gum. This is band, like this kind of band you use for your wig. So yeah, you're going to be doing a lot of hair this time, and this is yeah, like hair pins. Like, if you do braids, you just use them. I got a lot of what is it called, wig cap. I got both black, I got dumb cap, mash cap. Like, I got a lot. I got both this color and this color, and this is This is a wig cap as well, and this is another one. And I got this net for some DIYs. Guys, we are going to be doing hair this time around. So guys, I didn't even see this one. I got the this is hair pin. Oh, it's crochet, and this is wig cap as well. I got this in brown and I got it in black as well. So this is the black one, this is the brown one. So guys, the next thing I got is this hair. So guys, I got 24, 22, 20, 18 inches, and this is the closure. I can't see the length of the closure, but I think it's like, I think it's 18. And this is how the closure looks. Oh, and the hair is so beautiful. This is the closure. Yeah, this is the longest one. I'm going to show you. It's just something like this, but the kinky one. So it's really beautiful. So this is all I got. This is the closure. I'm going to put it back. Guys, they gave me this band, and of course this, and they gave me this as well, and is two inside it. This wig cap is inside this one. Inside this one I have my signature hair. If you know me, you know that I like this kind of hair. I like it a lot. So I got this one 4 bundles as well. I'm not going to open all of them, but it's just the same thing but different lengths. So I got 4 bundles with one closure. So I'm going to put it back. So this is what they gave me as a gift. This one and the eyelashes. This is another hair. So this is how this one looks. I'm just going to show you guys one. Oh gosh, this is so beautiful. So this is how all of them look, and I got this one in 3 bundles, which is 20, 20, like 2 20s, and 18, and then finally 16, which is the closure. Yeah, all of them I make sure I get the closure. And inside the bag, so they gave me this wallet, but it's just for cards. Like, yeah, I have this type as well, like 2. So they gave me this for like credit card, debit cards. So this is another hairpin that I got. This is a shaper. I really like this. I wear it a lot. Like, it's so beautiful. When I saw it, I saw that the quality, you know, was good from the picture they put there. So, and I assumed that it would be good. So, and it's really good. It did justice to it. It's very stretchable and all that. It's really good. So guys, as I told you, I didn't buy things this year. I got it last year when they were doing 11/11. So the next thing I got, guys, is this wig. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So inside it they have their tags, and this for your hair, and then this, And then the wig itself, this is like my signature wig. Yeah, it's expensive, but guys, like, I love it. I got the wig one, and I got the one I sew in myself as well. So this is the wig one I got. Sorry guys if I'm not showing you guys properly, just because I want to quickly go make sure I get to other ones without taking too much time. So yeah, this is the wig. So guys, the next thing I got is the another wig. Guys, this wig is beautiful. This wig is beautiful, and it came like this. It's really beautiful. I know I've been doing like only recipes these days, but yeah, I'm going to go over to hair stuff this time around. So let's see, we can balance it, do the recipes, do hair and other things. So yeah, because I know that a lot of people subscribe to me because of hair as well. So yeah, I didn't take you guys for granted. So I know I'm just waiting to review. Like this. Guys, this wig is so beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's so beautiful. So guys, I'm going to be hopefully making a video with them one by one. So guys, the next thing I got is this is a waist trainer. So it's really beautiful. It's just the same with the black one. Just the same with the black one. So guys, the next thing I got is this bag of hair. Yay, hair tutorial, yay. So guys, I got a lot. So the next thing I got, guys, is this. I have this is like a facial brush. I have Clarisonic. As you guys know, you've seen it in my video, and I got it like over 5 years, but I've been just changing the brush head since, and I thought, why not get myself a new one. Guys, this is so beautiful, and this is how this one looks. They have pink and white, and I got the white one. So, but don't worry, I'm going to show you guys in another video. Let me not show you guys everything now. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm going to be showing you full detailed video in another video, maybe my skincare or something when I'll use it. The next thing I got is eyelashes. Guys, like, I got these eyelashes like guys, can you even see this? I'm not going to show you guys everything because I'm making a separate video about these lashes. Guys, you really want to know this type of lashes. So guys, this is a quick one, but I'm going to be making it detailed. I just want to make sure I didn't leave anything out. Oh guys, this is another one. So finally, this is the last one. Oh, this is what they gave me for the hair. This is a crochet and some hair pins and hair bands. So this is yeah, this is crochet. I remember. So it's crochet. So this is really beautiful. So guys, I got this 6 packs. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I got it 6 packs. So I'm going to be doing some hair tutorials now. I just want to do away with the foods and all that. I still have some food that I need to edit and post, but I think for now we are okay with the food, so we can do hair. So I'm really excited to go into the hair, you know, stuff now. So guys, that's all I got from AliExpress, and this cost me like over 500 pounds. I'm not even like joking, 500 to 600 pounds. So when I check it, I will let you guys know how much I spent, like everything it costs me. So guys, that's the end part of this unboxing, like what I spent in AliExpress last year, 2019 November. Yeah, it's not now when I can't even buy anything from AliExpress now because of the thing going around. No, it's not advisable at all. So these things are all what I got last year, 11/11. So I'm going to be putting full price of everything on my screen. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give me a huge thumbs up and let me know the one that you think is your favorite. And yeah, comments, leave me some comments, and subscribe to my channel. Give me a huge thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye guys.